on just posting the number of visitors to the Homes.com network this month. It's become the go-to home shopping site.
It's got another 14,000.
What?
Gotta go back up. Oh, 17,891.
Just hand me some commas and zeros.
Plus 7.
What?
Old LaSalle evacuation orders still in effect. Zone 1 is set status with residents only allowed to return through Geyser Pass Road. Zones 2, 3, 4, and 6 are still under current evacuation go. Zone 7 is ready. Zones 5 and 8 are set. Please follow evacuation orders.
Things fresh with Febreze Bathroom. It's an outlet-free air freshener that fights odors for 45 days. So even after every flush, you know your bathroom smells amazing.
I brought in Ensure Max Protein with 30 grams of protein.
Those who tried me felt more energy in just 2 weeks. Here, I'll take that.
Ensure Max Protein. 30 grams protein, 1 gram sugar, and a protein blend to feed muscles up to 7 hours.